Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastav. Friend, today we are discuss important one-liner question about Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Friend, it's very important question, multiple choice question. It's useful for TGT, PGT, DSSB, KVS, UGC NET exam. Okay, so first of all, friend, we will know about short biography of Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Friend, Samuel Taylor Coleridge was an English poet, literary critic, philosopher, and theologian who, with his friend William Wordsworth, was the founder of the Romantic movement in England and a member of a Black poet. He also shared volumes and collaborated with Charles Lamb, Robert Southey, Charles Lloyd. He wrote the poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner and Kubla Khan, as well as the major prose work Biographia Literaria. Okay, so let's start first question, friend. When was Samuel Taylor Coleridge born? A option 23 April 1564, B option 7th April 1770, C option 25 December 1771, and D option 21 October 1772. Friend, to D will be correct answer. Okay, 21 October 1772. Samuel Taylor Coleridge was born. Next question: what was the name of S.T. Coleridge's parents? Friend, A option John and Mary Auden, B option John and Anna Cookson, C option John and Saraf Jeffrey, and D option friend John and Anna Bowden. So friend, D will be correct answer. S.T. Coleridge's parents John and Anna Bowden. Okay, next question: which age S.T. Coleridge belong to? A option age of Chaucer, B option Elizabethan age, C option classical age, and D option romantic age. Friend, ST Coleridge belong to romantic age. D will be correct answer. Next question: who among the following was not Black poet? A option John Milton, B option William Wordsworth, C option Robert Southey, and D option S.T. Coleridge. So friend, who among the following was not Black poet? Friend, A will be correct answer. John Milton. John Milton was not Black poet. John Milton, also known as the last poet of Renaissance. Okay. Next question. Next question: at the age of 8, after the death of S.T. Coleridge's father, which school college was sent? A. S.T. John School, B. Christ Hospital, C. Local Grammar School, and D. None of these. To friend, B will be correct answer. Christ Hospital. Christ Hospital is charity boarding school. Okay, B will be correct answer. Next question: at Christ Hospital, a charity school, Coleridge became friend with A option William Wordsworth, B option Robert Frost, C option Charles Lamb, and D option P.V. Shelley. So C will be correct answer. P.V. Shelley. Okay. C will be correct answer. So, friend, Charles Lamb. Okay. Next question: from 1791 until 1794, Coleridge attended Jesus College, Cambridge. There he became friend with. Friend, C will be correct answer. Robert Southey became friend. Okay. Next question. Next question: in 1795, S.T. Coleridge meet William and Dorothy Wordsworth is Bristol and become friend. He paid his first visit to them in A option in 1797, B option in 1798, C option in 1781, and D option none of the above. So friend, A will be correct. A will be correct answer in 1797. Okay. Next question: he became acquaintance with Robert Lowell, then Coleridge, Southey, and Robert Lowell decided to a utopian commune-like society called Pantheocracy. Robert Lowell had already married Mary Freaker. She, along with her two sisters, Sarah and Edith, joined the group to make the Pantheocracy Society. Coleridge married to friend. A option Mary Freaker, B option Sarah Freaker, C option Edith Freaker, and D option Sarah Hudson. To friend, B will be correct answer. Sarah Freaker. Okay. Next question: in which year did Coleridge wrote Kubla Khan? A option in 1797, B option in 1798, C option in 1800, and D option none of the above. Friend, in which year did Coleridge wrote Kubla Khan? To friend, A will be correct answered in 1797. Okay. Next question: in which is the incomplete work by S.T. Coleridge? So friend, A. Kubla Khan, B. Christabel, and C. History of Britain, and D. A and B both. So friend, which is the incomplete work by S.T. Collins? So friend, Kubla Khan and Christabel. A and B both. D will be correct answer. Okay, next question देखेंगे, which collection of poem did S.T. Collins with William Wordsworth write? So friend, Passionate Pilgrims. Second, Lyrical Ballad. Third, Sublime Lips. And fourth, D friend, poems in 2 volumes. तो friend, B will be correct answer, Lyrical Ballad. Okay, next question देखेंगे, Lyrical Ballad is a collaboration work of Collins and Wordsworth. Collins wrote 4 poems and Wordsworth wrote 19 poems for this collection. The collection poems with the poem of Collins name it's. आगे देखेंगे, तो फ्रेंड, ए ऑप्शन द राइम ऑफ द एंशियंट मार्नियर, बी ऑप्शन द फास्टर मदर टेल, सी ऑप्शन द नाइटिंगेल कन्वेंशनल पोएम एंड डी ऑप्शन डी डंगेन. तो फ्रेंड, इसमें करेक्ट आंसर ए विल बी करेक्ट आंसर, द राइम ऑफ द एंशियंट मार्नियर. Okay, next question friend, S.T. Collins poem Love. The poem was a direct inspiration for John Keats famous poem. तो friend, A option Ode on a Grecian Urn, B option Ode to a Nightingale, C option La Belle Dame Sans Mercy and D option Hyperion. तो friend, C will be correct answer, La Belle Dame Sans Mercy. Okay, next question, when did S.T. Collins and his wife Sarah separated in? To friend, A option in 1795, B option in 1797, C option in 1808 and D option 1810. When did S.T. Collins his wife Sarah separated in? To friend, C will be correct answer, in 1808. Okay, next question, William Wordsworth dedicated a poem to S.T. Collins which was initially known as Poem to Collins, then The Growth of a Poet Minds, and finally The Prelude. Collins respond this poem by writing A. Kubla Khan, B. William Wordsworth, C. Biographia Literaria and D. Sublime Lips. So friend, B will be correct answer, William Wordsworth. Okay, next question, S.T. Collins was a poet of A. Elizabethan era, B. Victorian era, C. Romantic era and D. none of the above. So friend, S.T. Collins was a poet of Romantic era. Okay, C will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे friend, which of Collins work is known for the line? A. line water everywhere nor any drop to drink. तो friend, A option Kubla Khan, B. Christabel, C. Sublime Lips and D. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. So friend, A will be correct answer, Kubla Khan. Okay, next question, what is the subtitle of Collins? What is the subtitle, friend? Sorry, which of the Collins work is known for the line water everywhere nor any drop to drink? First, A है Kubla Khan, B है Christabel, C है Sublime Lips and D है the Rime of the Ancient Mariner. तो friend, D will be correct answer, the Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Okay, next question friend, what is the subtitle of Collins poem Kubla Khan? To friend, A option of Vision in the Dream, B option Growth of a Poet's Mind, C option The Lady of Shallots and D option Lines composed of few mills above Tinton Abbey. तो friend, A will be correct answer, of Vision in a Dream. Okay, next question देखेंगे friend, Collins famous poem Christabel is an example of what type of poetry? A. sonnet, B. long narrative ballad, C. blank verse and D. जो lyric. तो friend, B will be correct answer, long narrative poetry, long narrative ballad. Okay, B will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे, who coined the term black poet in the Edinburgh Review in August 1817? A. William Wordsworth, B. S.T. Collins, C. Robert Southey and D. Francis Jeffrey. Friend, D will be correct answer, Francis Jeffrey. Okay, next question देखेंगे, when was Biographia Literaria published? A. in 1797, B. in 1798, C. in 1807 and D. 1817. तो friend, Biographia Literaria published is friend 1817. Okay, D will be correct answer. Next question, originally what was Biographia Literaria intended to be? A novel, B. A collection of short stories. C. A preface to a collection of poems. And D. An essay on German philosophy. Friend, C will be correct answer. A preface to a collection of a poem. Okay, next question. In which work of H.T. Coleridge we find the phrase our married minded Shakespeare? A. Kubla Khan. B. Biographia Literaria. C. Love. And D. The rhyme of the ancient mariner. So friends, B will be correct answer. Biographia Literaria. Next question. So twice 5 miles of fertile ground with walls and towers were grid led round lines from A. Kubla Khan. B. Sibylline Lips. C. Love. And D. The rhyme of the ancient mariner. So friend, A will be correct answer. Kubla Khan. Okay, next question. Who among the following was from the first generation of romantic poet? A. John Keats and P.V. Shelley. B. Lord Byron and Leigh Hunt. C. H.T. Coleridge and William Blake. And D. None of the above. So friend, C will be correct answer. H.T. Coleridge and William Blake generation of romantic poets. Okay, फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ रोमांटिक पोएट. आगे देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. शेक्सपियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स. Suspensions of disbelief or willing suspension of disbelief is a term coined in 1817 by the romantic poet H.T. Coleridge. The term applies to friend, A option his poem of supernatural theme, B option on his nature poem, C option his poem of social theme, and D option none of the above. So friend, A will be correct answer, his poem on a supernatural theme. Okay, A will be correct answer. Next question. Which is the first conventional poem by H.T. Coleridge? A option the Aeolian harp. B. The Nightingale. C. Frost at Midnight. D. None of the above. To friend, A will be correct answer. The Aeolian harp. Okay. Next question. Which is the first collection of poems by H.T. Coleridge? A option poems on various subjects. B option lyrical ballads. C option Sibylline Lips, and D option none of the above. So friend, which is the first collection of poem by H.T. Coleridge? So friend, A will be correct answer. Poem of various subject, first collection of poems H.T. Coleridge. Next and last question, friend. How do the sailors initially react to the appreciation of the albatross in the poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner? A option the shoot it with a crossbow. B option the ignore it. C option the greet it as a good omen. And D option the panic and pray. So friend, C will be correct answer. The greet it as a good omen. Okay, C will be correct answer. Thank you friend.